Welcome to Prime Product Picks. The best rod leash is probably one of the most overlooked pieces of fishing gear, but trust me, it's a game changer. Imagine the heartbreak of watching your prized fishing rod slip away into the depths. This video is dedicated to preventing that nightmare. We're diving deep into the world of rod leashes, exploring why you need one and how to choose the perfect one to keep your gear safe and sound. Number 5. Kayak Paddle Rod Gear Leash with Cinch Lock. This leash is proudly made in the USA. It's designed for durability, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of the water and the elements. You can rely on it to keep your gear secure. Featuring a cinch lock, this leash offers a secure and reliable way to attach your gear. Unlike hook and loop systems, it's built to last without the risk of failure. It's simple and effective. The package includes 3 black gear leashes and 1 carabiner. One leash is perfect for your paddle, while the others are ideal for rods or other light gear. If you need a longer reach, you can easily loop them together. With 20 inches of elongation, it provides the perfect balance of reach and control. It won't overstretch or lose its elasticity, ensuring it stays out of the way while giving you the flexibility you need. This leash is great for both water and woods, keeping your light gear safe and secure. It's also a great wading leash. The bungee section reduces the jerking of the kayak when attached to you while wading the shallows. What we like. This leash is proudly made in the USA, ensuring top-notch quality and supporting American craftsmanship. The innovative cinch lock provides a secure and reliable hold, eliminating the worry of accidental releases. If you value durability and want a leash that will withstand the test of time, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The leash is well made and durable. The swivel clip is strong and swivels freely. The coiled leash stretches out to a good length. Number 4. HERCULES M4 Fishing Lanyard. This lanyard is built with a 7x7 strand steel wire core, coated in durable TPU. The overall diameter is 2.3 mm, ensuring it can withstand tough conditions. It's designed to last. The lanyard stretches from 2.17 foot to an impressive 70.87. It can handle a maximum tension exceeding 60 pounds. This means you can rely on it to keep your gear secure. One end features a sturdy aluminum buckle, and the other has a strong lobster clip with a 360 degrees rolling barrel swivel. This prevents tangling, keeping your equipment organized. Using the adjustable Velcro ties, wrap it around your paddle or fishing pole. Attach the other end to your kayak or fishing rod holder. It's that easy to use. This is a perfect accessory for fishing kayaks, keeping your paddle, gear, and tools safe. It also reduces jerking when attached to you while wading in shallow water. It's a must-have. What we like. This leash boasts a heavy-duty construction with a steel wire core, ensuring it can handle the toughest conditions. The tangle-free design with a rolling swivel prevents frustrating knots, keeping your gear ready to go. If you need a reliable leash for various fishing and boating activities, this is the one for you. What people say. The leash is well made and the clip is strong. The coiled leash stretches out to a good length. This is a great product to keep your fishing rod safe. Number 3. SAMSFX Fishing Rod Stretchy Wrap Pole Straps. Are your fishing rods a mess? This stretchy wrap is the perfect solution. It keeps them organized and protected. These elastic cable ties are designed for casting, spinning, and fly rods. They are easy to use and very effective. The stretchy material gently secures your rods. It prevents damage during transport and storage. Whether you have casting, spinning, or fly rods, this product is for you. It's a must-have for any angler. Simply wrap the strap around your rods. It's quick, easy, and keeps everything neat and tidy. It's a great way to keep your gear organized. What we like. This product offers a simple and effective way to secure your rods. The stretchy wrap and elastic cable ties provide a snug fit for various rod sizes. If you're looking for a straightforward and easy-to-use solution for organizing your fishing rods, this is a great option. What people say. They solved my problem perfectly. The quality and durability qualities of these are so strong and good, I have no doubt at all that these will last for many years. Super easy to use. I like how the contact point to the rod has a bit of foam to prevent scratches. Number 2. Rogue Endeavor Rod Leash and Paddle Leash Kit. Introducing the Rogue Endeavor Rod and Paddle Leash Kit. This kit is designed to keep your valuable equipment safe and secure while you're out on the water. It's a must-have for any kayak fishing or paddleboarding enthusiast. This versatile leash system works with various watercraft, including kayaks, canoes, and paddleboards. It's easy to attach and adjust, providing a secure connection for your rods, paddles, and other gear. The quick-release clip and shock cord bungee add extra convenience. The intelligent design eliminates twisting and knotting, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free experience. Whether you're casting, reeling, or simply enjoying the scenery, it stays out of the way. This kit is designed to accomplish all of what a rod holder, fishing lanyard, paddle leash or bungee cord kit would accomplish. This kit is perfect for kayak fishing, whitewater adventures, or exploring hidden coves. It can be attached to various mounts and accessories, or even your wrist or ankle. The included durable bag ensures tangle-free storage when you're on the move. Available in 2 colors, blue and yellow, it's easy to choose one that complements your kayaks. This ultimate kayaking gear complements other kayaking accessories. Get yours today and experience the peace of mind that comes with secure gear. What we like. This kit features a quick-release clip for easy detachment and a neoprene-lined strap for added comfort and security. The included carrying bag keeps everything organized and ready for your next adventure. If you're looking for a complete and convenient solution for your kayak fishing or paddleboarding needs, this kit is designed for you. What people say. These are perfect and can be somewhat adjusted to the length you want hanging in the water. The length is perfect for working with multiple rod positions and the cords are clean, simple and unobtrusive. Pick this up for our 2 stand-up paddleboards and absolutely love how simple and high quality they are. The retention stays snug and doesn't get hung up on anything. It's also really easy to adjust to any length or tuck away when not using the paddles. Number 1. Adjustable Kayak Paddle Leash 6-pack. This kayak paddle leash is made of high-quality nylon. It's super elastic and durable, with a strong plastic hook. You and your family can use it with confidence. This leash is perfect for various activities. It securely connects your paddle to your kayak, preventing loss. It's suitable for canoeing, fishing, and more. The adjustable design makes it simple to use. It comes with an adjustable spring plug. Just wrap it on the paddle and adjust the size. This fishing pole leash works well on various rod sizes. It's ultra lightweight and easy to store. You can take it anywhere in your backpack, saving space. The leash is 44 inches long unstretched, extending to 67 inches. The length and quantity are perfect for you and your family. These paddle belts are a great choice for kayaking. What we like. This leash features an adjustable design, allowing you to customize the fit for your specific needs. The super elastic material provides excellent stretch and durability. If you need a versatile leash that can be used for various water activities, this is a great choice. What people say. These work very well with my setup. Worked as expected. Secure anything and everything in your yak. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.